Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to delete your thread on Threads app. Why would you want to know how to delete your thread on Threads app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Threads and not sure how to delete your thread on Threads app. So today I am going to show you how to delete your thread on Threads app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Deleting your thread on Threads app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will delete your thread on Threads app. First of all, open Threads app in your device, and now here is my thread home screen. And then click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner. And now in this screen here are few threads that I have posted. Now click on three dot next to that post and then click on delete. Now again click on it and your thread has been deleted from Threads app. So there you go. If you were wondering how to delete your thread on Threads app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.